Same-day dental implants allow patients to receive implants and temporary crowns in a single visit, which is unlike traditional implants that require several months between implant placement and restoration. We can do this by using advanced technologies like 3D imaging and surgical guides to plan and place the implants for a perfect fit. And for the temporary teeth, they are fully functional, allowing patients to eat and smile right away. And after 3 to 6 months of healing, they will be replaced with permanent crowns. However, it's important to note that not all patients are viable candidates for same-day implants, so a thorough evaluation is necessary before proceeding. But we can say it's ideal for patients with enough bone structure, and it can be done in all of the cases, like replacing a single tooth, multiple teeth, or even an entire arch. The recovery is similar to the traditional implants, and it could be even better with the proper care and management, and it can provide a lifelong solution to tooth loss in one visit. Do not worry, if you have any further doubts, book a consultation with me, Dr. Ahmad Deeb, your cosmetic dental surgeon at Pearl Dental Clinic. Stay well and take care of your oral health.